Hi, it's Spiro and Simon from Noonan Real Estate Agents. Simon, today's subject is exchange of contracts and cooling off periods. Can you elaborate for those who haven't transacted in real estate much?
Yeah, thanks Spiro. Thanks for having me today. Let's have a quick talk about exchanging contracts and cooling off period today. Real life event today. What's happened is many people have a wrong perception about how it works. To formally exchange a contract, many people would think about cooling off period and a holding deposit. Yep. So, in actual fact, in an actual contract, a legal contract in New South Wales, when you exchange a contract of sale, you actually don't hold 0.25% deposit. Did you know that?
You're supposed to hold the full deposit?
You're supposed to hold the 10% full deposit, which is 10% unless specified or agreed.
Unless there's a special condition.
That's correct.
Yeah.
So it's 10%, refunding the balance of 9.75 if the purchaser decides to rescind the contract. But the full 10% is to be collected unless there's a special condition to say that we are collecting 0.25% in order to exchange. Yeah. Otherwise, it's not a legal binding contract.
Gotcha. So unless it specifies that you can exchange on the cooling off amount, which might be $2,000, but when the cooling off period expires in 5 days' time, by that particular date, the balance of the 10% deposit must be paid.
If you had that special condition to say that. Well, agreed upon by both parties.
Yeah.
But the general perception is that it is 0.25% on exchange of a five business days cooling off period in New South Wales.
Yeah.
And people just get into the little trap that that is not the true case. Yes. It's only subjected to 0.25 if there's a special condition that's agreed by both parties.
Yeah. So what Simon's getting at there is you don't want an exchange contract with somebody for the sum of $2,000 being the 0.025 and you're waiting 6 weeks for settlement. They then say that we're not settling, they forfeit their deposit. So instead of forfeiting $60,000 or $70,000, they're only forfeiting
0.25%.
$2,000 and they're out of there.
Yeah. So just a little trick there, just be careful. Make sure you speak to your solicitor. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so there you go, guys. That's a little bit of cooling off period information.